Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L3115 printer driver. So how to install, how to download and how to connect to your system, your laptop and desktop. So after that you can see the enter open any browsers, so enter the model number and like that. After that you can see the first URL co.in. This is officially site, so just click to download. Scroll down, select your operating system, Windows which is you using, Windows 10, 11. If you are, you can see in the Windows 11 it not showing here, so you just select the Windows 10 64-bit and just click to download. After that you can see this is Windows 64-bit and click to download. Scroll down, I agree. Then the Windows 11 64-bit, you can see Windows 10 64-bit and click to download. After that you can see it will start downloading in the download box. And it is completed. Just single click to open and then yes. After that select by default automatic update and then click to OK. Then click to OK, I agree, and same click doing OK. Then connect your printer to your laptop to via printer USB cable and then on printer and laptop both. After that it will detect automatically. Then next to install. After that, otherwise you have to manual install, which is COM cable to connect. Okay, so then click to OK and it will find and then install. So if you're facing some issues, so please comment me, I will support.